Lover. So here's the scoop. Both kitties are darling, but here's our situation. Gary's a little hard to medicate. He can be kind of hissy and stuff. So we've gotten it down him every time, but sometimes it's a little harder than others. And we want to make sure we're safe. But more importantly, neither of them had any diarrhea, so everybody seems totally great. But what I am concerned about is Izzy's doing great. She's gaining weight. Gary's lost almost a pound, or about a pound. Now, as you know, from when he came in, he was really squiggly. And so the weight's not perfectly accurate, give or take a few ounces today, give or take a few ounces when he came in, and every day we've weighed him. But he's trending lower and lower each time. He came in at 16.1.5, and that's without the bed. And then he's at 15.2 today, maybe 15.3. So that's nearly a pound, which is, that's pretty significant. I haven't done the math, but it's what, 7 or 8% of his body weight. So that's right when you're going to really got to react. You don't want, luckily he's not old, he's not ill, and as far as I know, he has no, he doesn't have a weak system or anything like that. But you could always ask your vet what they think. We've tried to bribe him. We've given him everything in the book, down to counting how many treats are in the treat bowl, food, his food, our food. Sorry it looks so messy, but we give him catnip because he loves it, and that we thought that would help. Hi, lover. Look his little tail go. You're kooky. He loves the brush. He loves the brush. Do you love the brush? Do you love the brush? Are you going to get it? Yeah, he took a boy. So, but he's a little bit nervous looking at things. I kind of wish I'd put him in the back, so I may move him to the very back room where it's a little bit less stuff. He's very interested. He's like constantly looking, but he doesn't focus on food. He's just too busy looking at everything. So here's our plan. We're going to put Izzy in a different room tonight so that we can see if Gary has any litter going on and kind of track exactly if he's eating or not, because it sure is hard to tell with two kitties. And we'll let you know. See, look, he's like, what's that? That's Grace. So we'll let you know what we learn, but we definitely want to get clear on how much he's eating and how much poop and pee's coming out of him. And that's a scoop. And let us know if you have any concern. Weight loss is a big deal, so you don't want to just go, I need to lose weight or whatever. Like, you definitely don't want him to. But, he's also on that new medication, and maybe that's relevant to not being hungry because maybe his tummy feels weird. It's hard to say. You might call your vet and ask them their best advice. They may want to see him. They may say, just give him a few days. I think he's coming around. I think he's going to come back up. The bulk of his loss was the first 2 days, right? So at 16.15 to 15.4. So now he's only up and down 2 ounces since. So he's kind of plateaued, but he's still going down a little bit. So that's a scoop. And I hope this is helpful. And we're doing our best. And we're not vets, so we always recommend you call your vet if you're concerned. But we do hope that he is going to start eating more in the next few days, and he's definitely not losing anything like he did at first. All right, that's a scoop. You want to say hi, Gary? You want to say hi? Who's that? Don't get mad at the phone. You're very beautiful. His tail is like this 24/7. It's so cute. All right, kitty meow.